Another long day at work. Finally over. Are you hungry?
Yeah, starving.
Where are we going?
We're going to a legendary pizza joint here in Scranton, PA.
Buona Pizza.
There you go.
My family's pizza joint from years ago. Buona's has been here for a very long time. Major staple in the community. Over 50 years. That's right, 50 years. My dad, my Uncle Guido, my Uncle Americo, and my Uncle Mario are the founding members of this. Sadly, they've all passed away, and now my cousins, Giovanni, Tony, and Mario run it. We're gonna conduct some business first, and then we're gonna review the pizza and let you know how it is. They deliver over 60 years. Place hasn't changed at all. It's still the same. It's like when I was a kid. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Nothing's changed. Nothing has changed. Oh my God, the original dough machine used to start Buona Pizza. Holy crap. Wow. All right, here goes Billy making the pizza. Just like my uncles used to do it. You throwing that bad boy up or what? Ah.
We got all three apps at once. Got an order, DoorDash.
Nice. And there he goes with the sauce.
I think it now will be massively prevalent.
And cheese.
And these apps and shit, like, oh yeah. They could always, actually both of them already been on, I feel even say it.
And then here goes the sausage and the pepperoni.
You want some cannoli, man?
Oh, jeez. And there it goes in the oven. Nothing has changed back here. Hey, Gio, nothing like back here. It's still the same. Damn.
That's right, Mom's pepperoni.
Sausage and pepperoni. Mmm. Don't throw any oregano on it now.
Oh, shoot somebody. Oh, that is the OG. Mm-hmm.
That's right.
No flop here, Portnoy.
It's like my uncle used to make.
Yeah? Do I need my Tide Pad?
Oh. I'm so full, y'all. 2.5 pizzas in, 2.5 slices in. Whew. Brutal. What do you think there, Glenn?
It was just the way I like it.
Do you want to share your thoughts on how you used to come here when you were a kid? You were younger?
Well,
in your younger days?
I spent a lot of time in town, and my main form of transportation, of course, was my 10-speed bicycle. And that's a lot of the reason why I started the charity All About the Kids' Bicycles. But this would have been one of my regular stopping grounds. And
Pizza Frida ice cream.
Pizza Frida ice cream sandwich. Americo, their father, used to make me a salami and cheese hoagie on a toasted bun with some shredded lettuce and onions and little tiny pieces of tomato. And to me, it was the best sandwich I ever ate.
What is that?
About that Pizza Frida ice cream sandwich.
Oh my God. Look at this thing.
I hope you took a picture of the pizza for me. It was good. There you go, ice cream sandwich.
You might end up eating all of this on your own.
You're gonna eat it.
Yeah. We'll see about that.
Yeah.
How is it? What'd you say?
Oh,
They're sloppy. You eat them, like, but you push down on the ice cream. It's because of the warmth of the
come here, camera. See it. The Pizza Frida ice cream sandwich. Giovanni's very own invention. Is it a little cold on your teeth?
I know. Yep.
Surprise!
Yep.
What do you think? Should we sell them at the state fair? How much did your mother used to pay you to fold pizza boxes at Lucia? She didn't pay you? No. No?
No.
Probably because you didn't know what the frig you were doing, right?
We have to pay you for the...
Come on. Your bill is paid.
forget how to do this shit.
All right.
Give up.
All right, there goes Lucia.
Yeah, that's right. There you go.
Now you got right.
Your mom had a business, yeah.
All right.
I don't.
Now the
I
top
didn't do
piece
any of
has
this
to go
shit.
get folded in
I didn't
too.
do any of this shit, damn
Put
it.
it down. Put it down. There you go. Ta-da! It only took you 18 minutes.
I think he got rid of the Street Fighter machine. He still has it. So
Street Fighter,
yeah.
Miss Pac-Man.
Yeah. He still has them. So what'd you
Alright.
think?
Well, I like it when I go someplace and I get what I wanted. That sausage and pepperoni pizza on the small side because our refrigerator is broken. We can't bring home any leftovers. But I asked them for a little bit extra sauce. It was the perfect pizza. I got
You heard the man, ladies and gentlemen. Give him what he wants, and he's a happy
happy as a
camper.
lark.
Hope you guys enjoyed this historic episode in the life of Lucia and Glenn. It's been a long time we've been wanting to make this video, and super excited we got to do it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Let us know what you like.
I have one more thing I have to say.
What?
Buona Pizza.
Let us know what you like, don't like. Send us on an adventure, because sometimes the most craziest episode takes us on the most beautiful adventures. See you in the next episode, everybody.